प्राणस्यदं वशे सर्वं तृतीयत्ते प्रतिष्ठितम्. Hi, my name is Sumedha. I have created a pranayama playlist under my YouTube video. We all know that we are powered by the breath. Breath is a medium to connect the mind, body and the soul. Please subscribe to my channel to know more about different kinds of pranayamas.
Namaste Yogi and Yoginis. Today we are going to do Calming Ujjayi Pranayama, an oceanic breath. Ujjayi has been used for thousands of years to enhance hatha yoga practice. The sound that Ujjayi provides help us to synchronize breath with the movement during yoga, making the entire yoga practice more rhythmical. Ujjayi is considered as the diaphragmatic breathing technique because the qualities of breath are disciplined by the diaphragm. It is like an oceanic wave. The breath is to be long, fluid and smooth. Your inhales are full and robust. Expand the belly out as the diaphragm lowers. Fill the lungs and breathe the ribs wide. Visualize a beautiful ocean, maybe a blue ocean, waves smelling and beginning to the chest. We have various benefits of Ujjayi. It helps in concentration, it helps regulate the heating in the body, it helps remove the tension areas, it helps relieve the sinus, headache and strengthening the nervous system and digestive system. Alright, let's come into this oceanic breath practice. Set a timer for 10 minutes. Sit in this comfortable seated position with the spine erect. Close your eyes and relax your body. You can employ the chin mudra if you like to enhance the grounding effect. Bring your awareness to the sensation of your breath at the back of your throat. Constrict the glottis or the back of your throat slightly to make a soft hissing or ocean-like sound as you inhale and exhale. It is often sound like a soft snore. Take long, slow, deep breaths in and out with the sound. Keeping the breath audible, inhale for the count of 4 and exhale for the count of 4. If you can able to take 5 counts, you can do the 5 counts. Let's do 5 rounds. The count of breath is 1 second. Inhale for 4 or 5. Exhale for 4 or 5. let's have the same inhalation as 4 or 5 and exhale as 8. Inhale. Release this technique and notice the effect of the practice on your body and mind. A tip for the beginners, the audible inhalation can sometimes feel straining onto your local cords. If that's the case for you, make the breath audible on only your exhalation. Notice your breath. Notice the calming effect on you. And then bring your hands to a namaskara mudra and bow down to the Mother Earth.
Hope you liked this video. If you want to see more of the pranayama videos, please see in the playlist. And also don't forget to give a thumbs up or the comments in the section below. Till then, you take care.